Hello Minnequa Works members. I'm going to show you how to use online banking and give you a brief tutorial of it. So first thing we do is go to mymwcu.com, and that stands for Minnequa Works Credit Union. So just mymwcu.com. In this section we will enter our online banking information. If this is your first time getting on our online banking system, you might need to register a new user, and we do have a previous tutorial on that, so you might want to check that out. So we'll enter in our online banking username, and then we'll enter in our password, and then hit login now. Okay, so we've logged in, and now we're on our account overview dashboard. This is the homepage for online banking. So on here you get a brief overview of all your account balances that you have with Minnequa Works. So this is a checking account, a credit card, a home loan, money market account, a savings account. So it really just puts everything in one spot for you, so it's very convenient. You can also move these around if you'd like them in a different order. Maybe we want our savings account over here by the checking accounts. So that's also very convenient because it's very customizable. You can change this if you would like. You can change it to Minnequa Works accounts or whatever you think you would remember or be most suited for best for yourself. You can print this if you would like to show your balances all on one easy to read printable page, and just send that to your printer. One of my favorite parts of this online banking dashboard is that it breaks down our asset summary. So it will say, for example, we have 36% of all of our assets in our money market account. It'll also do the same thing for our debts. So it shows our credit card, our other credit card, our home loan. So I think that is very convenient, and it does give you a nice little idea of where your assets might lie. From this online banking dashboard, we can also do quick transfers. So say we notice we only have 6 cents in this checking account, but we have $7.47 in this checking account. So we'd like to move some of this money over into this account. You can quickly do that just by clicking right here where the two little lines are, clicking Quick Transfer, and it does show the account that it's coming from. Then we select the account that it is going to. It does give us all these options. So you can also, if you have an auto loan or a credit card, for example, you can pay that right from here. You don't have to set up bill pay if the loan you're paying is through us. And then this is where we select the amount we would like to transfer. So let's transfer maybe $3. It shows the date that it's going to process, and then you just confirm it. It loads, takes a minute to think about it, and our transaction was processed. It does give us all the information to make sure that it went through correctly, and then we can view it in the Activity Center. So this just gives us the confirmation that our transaction was processed. And also if you have any recurring transactions set up, which we can set up later, it would show you that right here. From here we can go back to our account overview. Let's enter an account. Let's go to our checking account, and you can just click right on the name itself. So this gives us our history of what we have done on our account. From here you can apply filters. Maybe you're looking for a transaction on a certain day or a month, so you can select all that there. You can also view if the transactions have any details on them. And from here you can actually have a conversation with an employee of the credit union as well. If you have a question on any transactions, you can just send this right over to them right here, and then it shows up in your messaging center, which we'll go over in a minute. But from your account, you can print, you can download it in case you need it for, I don't know, maybe they need to see what your account transactions are, and you can provide that, or maybe you just like to keep a copy for yourself. So here in the messaging center is where, if you started any conversations with the Minnequa Works team about questions on your account, this is where it would show up. So here's my message that I sent earlier, and it just says test. So when they reply, it'll show up in here. And then also in the same messaging center, you'll get notifications on if your security alert preferences were changed or if your password was changed. And later on, I'll show you how to set up what alerts you receive. Another way to access your account is just by clicking on transactions here. And then you can go to the activity center, view everything in there, do a fund transfer right here. And then there's also another place you can reach that transfer money funds transfer, and that's just on your homepage. From the homepage, you can also view where the Minnequa Works branches are. This is a very nice interactive map. You can move it around. It shows you where each branch is located, its hours, its phone number, its address, and you can even get directions from here. Maybe you're looking for an ATM. Minnequa Works only has one ATM, but we do provide directions on how to get to it here. It is located at our Eagle Ridge branch. However, as part of being a co-op credit union, you have access to over 30,000 ATMs surcharge-free. You can access Co-op's ATM locator by clicking any of these links. It will redirect you to an outside website, but it is Co-op's site. Here you can enter your location to find a surcharge-free ATM near you. Back on Minnequa Works Online Banking website, we can also view news. So if we have anything we'd like to share with you, we can submit it right here and you will be able to see it. And then also we're trying to get our rates up and running right there. There are also many helpful features under the Services tab. You can update your contact info as well as update your address here. Once you hit the Submit button, we will review what you've submitted and update your account info. There are other useful features located under the Services tab, like Stop Payment, Check Reorder, Your Money Works, and Mobile Deposit Enrollment, but we will discuss these in a later video. This video will provide a brief overview of what Minnequa Works Online Banking System has to offer. There is also a Help tab on this site. If you click the tab, you will find a nice database that will hopefully help answer your questions. Here's just a couple of the things that you can find on the Help database. However, if you would rather speak to someone at the credit union, you can call us at 719-544-6928. There's also a neat area on the home page where you can chat with us. Just return to MWCU.com, and at the bottom of the page, you will just click the link that says Chat with Us Now. Here you can enter your name, your phone number, as well as what you need help with. Today we are just learning about online banking, so that's what I will enter here. But if you had a question, this is where we can help you. Alright, we've submitted our chat, and now a call center representative at Minnequa Works can reach out to us via this live chat. It looks like we're connecting with Cindy. She'll be helping us today. Now we are live with Cindy. She says, "What can I do to help?" We'll reply. Nothing today, Cindy. Thank you. When you are done chatting with our staff, you'll have the opportunity to rate them. I gave Cindy a smiley face because she was so helpful and so quick to respond to our question. Back on the online banking site with Minnequa Works, the last tab we have is Settings. On this tab, you can access your profile. You can only view your information here. If you would like to make changes to your online banking profile, please call us at 719-544-6928. We'll be glad to help. You can update your email address here. Once you do, make sure you hit Submit so we can look at what you've entered, review it, and update your file. If you're having issues with this, please feel free to give us a call. We'll be glad to help. There's just a couple more items on the Settings tab. Next under the Settings tab is Alerts. On the Alerts page, we can select Security Alerts. This shows which alerts we have turned on. You can decide here which alerts you would like to receive in the Message Center. We will turn on Alert me when an invalid secure access code is submitted. We have received confirmation that it was successfully turned on. Based on your preferences, you can decide which alerts you want turned on or off. Also under the Settings tab, you can manage your account preferences. Here you can give your accounts nicknames so they'll be more personalized to you. You can also turn on and off visibility for each account, as well as rearrange your accounts in the order they appear in. Security Preferences is also another option under the Settings tab. From here you can change your password. Just enter your old password, your new password, and confirm your new password, and hit Change Password. You can also change your login ID here. You can also change your secure delivery contact information under the Settings tab. Finally, we have text enrollment. We won't enroll for text banking in this video, but we will in a later video. This is where you can find it. From here we will return to the online banking dashboard at Account Overview. There is a log off button here, but if you forget to log off, don't worry, your account automatically times out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Have a great day.